All we wanna do be famous, just being real, yeah, just being.
Hi guys, good morning, afternoon. Today we're going on a helicopter ride. Our car is here. Say hi.
Hi. I need some money for this.
Whoa. I can't just see the sun and just act normal. I just want to make videos and I'm literally getting sunburns. But whoa, check this video out. It's about to be time. I think they're about to like tell us the things that we're supposed to do, things that we're not supposed to do. So what? Oh, you have to check my weight. Wow. I'm wearing like without my shoes, so.
Be separated, like you'll be sitting here and she'll be sitting here, so you'll be sitting together.
We're not sitting together?
Yeah, you'll be sitting together, okay?
Oh, why we're not sitting together?
No, you will sit together. Flight mode,
Okay.
And you can take a photo and be inside the Kepler, no problem. Regarding what's not allowed, cigarette, lighter, portable charger, power bank, electronic cigarette, it's all are not allowed, okay?
Okay.
Even the water is not allowed. Okay.
Palazzo, Gigi, Boya, Polisi. I'm sleeping, I'm on no jogging. Without betting, yeah.
At the Falcon Tours. The helicopter ride was so much fun. We're awaiting pictures and videos. Yes, guys, and we had a lovely day. So guys, now that I am back, I just thought to give you guys like a quick review on how everything went, how we booked, and the whole process and the price. so you get all of the details in case you're coming to Dubai and you want to go on the same ride I went on. Yes, so basically we booked with Falcon Tours. This is not an advert. This was, we paid, I paid, so yeah, this is not an advert. So I'm just gonna give you guys my honest review. And basically it was cool. They have different kinds of rides. They have the 12-minute ride, they have the 30-something minutes ride, they have longer rides basically, but the shortest ride is 12 minutes, and that was the one that I went for, basically because I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to be so fascinated about going, you know, on a helicopter ride. So I just said, let me just go for the shortest one and see what it's like. And it was pretty cool. It was just quite short, but it was pretty cool anyway. It was 12 minutes. That includes going to the point where you just riding to a certain point and riding back. And I was just particularly expecting that they would give us some more time to take some more pictures, because I am a picture person. But realizing that you only get like 1 minute to take pictures, sad, really sad. But it's fine, because I still got some pictures in that 1 minute. I made sure but you know, like 1 minute is a really short time. And for the prices go up with the number of minutes you're flying for. So I flew the 12 minutes ride, and it was about like, okay, let me put this in naira. It was like 100,000 naira in naira, yeah, and just almost $200, not up to 200, almost $200 in US dollars. So yeah, basically I'll let you guys decide if it's reasonable or if it's not reasonable. But yeah, that was the cost for like the 12 minutes ride in or on the helicopter. Yes, so let me know what you guys think in the comments. This is the very first time that I am shooting a vlog on the same day, editing it on the same day, posting on the same day. I feel like I'm a superhero right now. So if you're watching this, you should do well to subscribe, like, do all the cute nice things, so I wake up tomorrow and make another vlog and edit and post and do all of that stuff, because I'm like, yeah, these people like it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching. Mwah. Bye.